cat, call me El Gato. On the beat, boss, and I got big bread.
All right, guys. See here. I don't want to hit that real quick. Whoa, what's going on, crew? Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Let me get out of here without hitting anything. All right. So, hey, I am headed, guys, to go look at the 68 Lincoln Continental. See if we can't make a deal, or actually see what I'm working with here first. I was kind of skeptical about it. You guys know that I showed you guys the pictures of this. Oh man, I tell you what, she's shaking good here. The phone must be too heavy. Well, you guys, hey, I apologize. Just bear with me here for a few seconds. I got a different phone, and my daggone holder that I put up in the window is kind of long, so it's more flexible. So as I go over these little bumps and stuff, it's tend to shake a little bit. But anyway, I'm just letting you guys know we're gonna head down the parkway here, and they're supposed to be meeting me so we can look at this Continental. I just want to really see how bad of a shape it is. I want to look at it and stuff. Maybe, like I said, I've been looking for a project. And so, hey guys, and if you guys are new to the channel, you're watching Classic Chevy with CJ, the Cigar Man. And this is where we do it yourself, guys. So I'm excited to go look at this old sedan here. From my understanding, it's been in the family, one owner and stuff the whole time. They just brought it up here from Knoxville, I guess, to try to sell it. I really don't know the full story on it yet, but I would definitely let you guys know once I know about it. So I'm just excited to go see this baby. I tell you what, but woo, it's 93 degrees out here today, man. And, you know, it's pretty hot out here, boy, I tell you. So I'm gonna put my daggone glasses on, my shades, because I can't stand that sunlight in my eyes. I apologize, guys. Hey, and I'm telling you what, I'm gonna turn you guys back on as soon as we get down there. I know you guys don't want to see my ugly mug. You guys want to see a 68 Lincoln Continental. Now, I tell you what, this would be awesome if I could get this thing, man. This would be a cool project. You know, I always wanted to do a sedan, but, you know, first I got to see what type of shape she's in. I got to see what type of shape she's in. And from the pictures that I showed you guys the other day, I know she's in, I ain't gonna say rough shape. The body look good, but it just looks like it's so dusty. Hopefully they at least washed it off or something. You know, if they wash it off and get it clean, that way I can see what I'm looking at, though. But I think they asking for a reasonable price for it, but I think I could probably get it for a better price. And I'm all about that, man. I got to get a better price for it. So I never, you know, worked on anything like a sedan of this caliber or whatever. And I know she's a big boy, so, you know, my panel truck was a big baby. You know, she was a big beast. So, hey, I'll cut you guys back on in a minute. All right, guys, so I know I'm coming up on it, set up in the industrial park area on top of a hill, so I believe I do see their vehicle stuff. So right up here on that hill there. So we'll ride up through here. Executive Park. I'm sorry, I said industrial park, but it's actually the executive park. All right. Whoa, goodness gracious. Yeah, I see it over there. She's a big beast right there, guys. Look at that there. figured. Look out, it got a lot of holes up there in the back. So, all right, I'm gonna turn you guys back on. Wow, I tell you what, man. She hey.
Hi, Chris.
How you doing?
Hi.
Oh man. So did this come from Knoxville?
No, this was my dad's.
Trunk lid. She probably
This trunk lid is because he used to sell dynamite
Oh
for
really?
Lloyd Inc. and he kept some in the trunk and it corroded.
Okay, yeah.
But I know the guys out of California, those suicide slabs, I know they have trunk lids
Huh.
that you can buy.
Now I'm into these old vehicles here. I tell you, I saw pictures. I said, man, she is cool. Well, it seems like it must have just been sitting outside, huh?
Yeah, because it's been under a shed until about the last 6 months, which it broke my heart to be sitting outside.
Oh man,
and
yeah.
then we kept it covered, of course, but
Retail was 11.5, and the low was I think 9.
I think you can get like a trunk lid for $1,500. Of course, it's got its faults and
Well, yeah.
qualities.
And it's a 68, right?
65.
Oh, 65.
Yeah.
That's even better, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's got
70,813 miles,
that's
and
bitch.
it was started. And I just popped the
Yeah.
lid, but it shuts flush. You want to see?
Oh no, I was just looking. No, you're fine. So this is all y'all property here?
Yeah, this is my uncle's. It was my grandfather's, and he passed about 2 years
Oh, I
ago.
didn't. Oh, that's the back way there, huh?
That was an old ETSU building.
Really? It's nice up in
Growing
here.
up, I used to mow all this.
Really?
Like, yeah, kept me in shape.
Tell Chris that Tote was that's
And-
where John, his father.
Oh, I know Tote. Yeah.
Did you eat at Chaco's?
Oh, yeah.
That-
Oh, yeah.
You saw me run around.
That place was ahead of its time, man. I hate that.
I mentioned it on-
Melissa's father had his shop in the train
Oh,
station
yeah.
before he moved.
The
And
sidetrack tobacco?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
God,
man.
good people. I know it's a lot of work, but
Well,
I
yeah.
want to get it in the right hands of somebody that can make it look beautiful again, because it's such a
I know it's got all the
got
trim.
a lot of good qualities.
Trim still look good. It does, yeah.
And you
Your truck
work
is
on-
nice. I love that truck.
The black one?
Yes.
That's
I
not
had
too
two black
bad.
vehicles before the blue one, and I'm going to get another black vehicle. I miss it.
Rocker panels look good. Seem like.
God, the chrome's in great shape.
Yeah, I know. We stored the bike for a long time.
For 60 bucks.
Elevation. What's that?
That's just the special edition. Is it all blackout edition?
I figured. I was looking at the Toyota 4Runner, that black with the black out of the crystal Toyota. Oh,
Yeah.
That TRD, I want that so bad. With old blue decides to quit over there. I'll try.
Oh, that's a good looking one there.
You know they don't make those anymore.
I wonder
People
why.
ask me all the time. They're like, "Do you want to sell your car?" I'm like, "No." I love it.
What year is it?
2008.
And they don't sell mine.
No, they quit making it.
Mine wouldn't look that good. I'm lowered on cars.
All right, what could I do, man? Huh.
It'd be somebody's nice little prom ride.
Oh man, I tell you what, that'll be a cool everyday ride
Put
there.
some airbags under that thing. Oh, it's so pretty.
All right, guys, I'm gonna cut you off. I'm gonna get underneath here.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
He's been working with elementary pharmacies, library.
So
I only got 70,000 miles on it,
and
guys.
then his daddy was the did the driver's ed. Ballard. Mm-hmm.
He
There
taught
at
me
the
how to
end.
drive.
Post.
Uh-huh.
Oh
That's a good
boy.
thing. I wonder what happened to the daggum. Oh,
Here's
what if
this,
they make tamale shop down there?
They still have it.
Oh, but you have to call ahead or something.
Yeah, you do.
You'll have to give your number because I have 1500.
Yeah.
Is that the liner too? I
The liner.
wonder if the 1500's a trunk lid and the liner or not.
Yeah, probably just a trunk.
Lid. Yeah, but the liner big. You see nothing? Yeah, I got hung. Oh,
Oh,
sorry about
don't
that.
worry. I got it.
It got hung the other day.
Be careful. You guys got somebody else come look at it, or?
Not at all.
Well, we had
Be careful. Man, I tell you what, well, I forgot the. Woo! Goodness gracious, boy! I was sweating chicken grease out there. Goodness gracious! Man, since I've been in the car and got out, it has went up 2 more degrees outside. Golly, man, I can't believe it. Yeah, man, I tell you what, that's a beautiful vehicle, man. I bet you it was an awesome car back in the day. But I'm gonna be honest, I just think it's a little bit out of my comfort zone as far as my skill level. But the lady was very nice, Audrey and stuff. My family know her family and stuff, and I would definitely put the word out for her. I think she may be a little ambitious on the price because of all the work you have to do to it, but it is and actually I thought it was a 68. I could have sworn the title said 68 because she showed me a picture of the title, but she said that it was a 65. So I'm not too sure about that, man. But you guys saw that Continental. It was in rough shape, unfortunately, but it was kept inside for a while, and then it was kept outside, and you could tell it was kept outside. She said that her dad was into explosives, and the reason why that trunk had holes in it. And I saw the hose in that trunk when I saw the pictures, because the sunlight was coming through the trunk into the back of the bed of the trunk, and I saw the sunlight. I said, man, they got a lot of holes in it. So anyway, I just want to bring you guys along real quick, guys. This is what I do, man. I'm looking for a fixer-upper. I'm looking for a new project vehicle. That there is way out of my comfort zone. So unfortunately, I'm about to call her back Monday. And but actually, I'm gonna let my buddy come and check it out too. And I still may try to do a little footwork for her because that was nice enough to let me come look at it first. So I will give her a call back Monday to see if my buddy want to come look at it. He's into those old cars as well, so I will definitely try to help her out. So hey, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me for this short video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And if you think you already subscribed, check that notification bell and that subscribe button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and help your guy out so we can continue making these awesome videos. So like I always tell people, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. Cigar Man is out.